Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are liking our videos and sharing our videos. I'm Daniel Jacob. Today we are going to do magical science experiment. Please support us by like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon and all options. Going to do a water pump experiment without motor. For this we need hot glue, a balloon, a bottle, a straw, an empty cup and 2 cups filled with water. First, now I have put a small hole in the bottle. There only we have to put the straw. Now put hot glue and cover this area around. Now let it dry. Pour the 2 cups of water inside the bottle. Now I am putting a blown up balloon on the mouth of the bottle. See friends, the water is coming out of the straw. Wow, it's amazing. See friends, from the bottle it's coming to the bowl due to the air. The air is pushing the water and it's coming out through the straw. Do try this at home. It is very simple. Now we are going to do a magical experiment. For this we need color water, a cup, a plate, 2 matchsticks, 1 coin and glue gun. Now we have to stick these 2 matchsticks on the coin. I glued the matchstick over the coin to get some weight for the base. Now I am going to put the coin inside the water in the middle. Now we are going to light the matchstick. Use adult's help for lighting the matchstick. I am going to put the glass cup over the fire. Now see the magic. See friends, the water came up. See friends, the water came up and the fire went out. Please do this experiment only with the help of an adult. We are going to do the Skittles experiment. For this we need a packet of Skittles, some water and a plate. First I am going to open the Skittles and arrange it around. Arrange some Skittles in the plate. Let's pour some water in the middle. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. The colors are coming into the water slowly. Please wait for a few seconds and you will see the beauty of this experiment. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Please do this at home. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon and all. Thank you. Bye-bye.